Yeah, we also want to congratulate members, when they do well. And Sandeep just did an awesome job. They won 4 properties in one auction. Which they did really well with these. And the 4 properties they picked up are 4 nice homes. Really the homes are in pretty good shape. They did a pretty good job. They got photos of all of them. And they ended up picking up these 4 properties for just a tiny percentage of value. We think they're going to do really well on these properties. And yeah, it's just it's great to see somebody succeed here, in that with the auctions, because we know a lot of students, it is lousy to lose properties at auction, which happens a lot, but you never know when you're going to, hit a home run or multiple home runs here in a single auction and do really well.
Yeah, exactly. We definitely want to congratulate. I mean, these were purchased this week by one of our coaching students, and so we got 4 homes valued at over 230 grand for probably around 15% of the property's value. Now, these are kind of what we consider starter homes, but these could be great rentals. They could be turned around in what we call a wholesale deal, where we're selling it as is to another investor, or you could go ahead and fix the properties up and then sell them for full market. So a lot of possibility. We're really excited about them. Congratulations again.
Yeah, they really are. They are impressive properties, and great to see the wins.